So I'm about halfway through the Easton course.
Okay.
And I'm realizing that I need to prioritize more of making those outbound calls.
Yes.
But I'm afraid I'm going to botch it because I don't have all of your information yet, right?
Yeah.
So what's the best short and sweet to focus on? Like just focus on the insights and the next steps and don't overthink it?
Don't overthink it, right? I want you to think about you're in Vegas and I want you to think about gambling and you got a big, what do the kids call them? What do the rappers call them? You got a rack of chips, okay? I want you to just go put all the chips on roulette. I don't care if you blow it or don't blow it, because here's the cool thing about sales. You get to go back to the, what do they call that in Vegas? The cage where all the money's at, and get another rack. So just get out there and spend some money, make some bets. Overthinking it avails nothing. That's the best way for you to get better, is to make the calls. So, which you're doing, and I'm proud of you for that.
If you like this video, I got you. I'm going to hook you up. Click the link in my bio. I'm going to give you the closing mini masterclass. It's normally $300. I'm going to pay for everything. You're going to close a lot more business. You're going to make a lot more money. You're going to have a lot more fun. And you're going to be like, Matt Easton changed my life. And I'm going to be like, yes, I did. Did we just become best friends? And you're going to say, yes, we did. And then you and I are going to be best friends, and it'll be great. So click the link in my bio so we can be friends and you can close more business, and I'll cover all the cost. See you there.